Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can create this Twitch shake effect on CapCut. So first, just add the clips that you want to edit and then add a keyframe at the start. Zoom in the clip in and then move forward and add other keyframes like I did, and just move the clip in a random direction. Okay, one more time like this, and now go to the video effects and add the wide angle effect that you can find under the lens category. This one, apply it to the entire clips. Now add 3 keyframes at the start, set the intensity to 0, in the middle 100, and at the end back to 0 like this. And now between the first and second keyframes, create these custom grabs. Okay, now for the last 2 keyframes, also create these custom grabs. Click on the check icon. Now copy the effect 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now go to the video effects again and add the shake under the nightclub category. Click on the check icon. Apply it for the entire clip. Now add a keyframes at the start and set the intensity, the speed to 30 and intensity to 50. Now on the second keyframe at the end, speed 30, intensity 0. Click on the check icon and then use these custom grabs in between the keyframes. Click on custom. Okay, add another beat in here, make it like this. Click on the check icon and copy the effect 4 times like before, but make the after shorter than before like this. Okay, now click on a clip and add 2 keyframes at the end here, and then zoom the clip in on the last keyframe and use these custom grabs. Okay, now for the last video effect, add the bad TV of video effect that you can find under the glitch category. Bad TV. Okay, click on the check icon. Now add a keyframe at the start. Okay, and at the end. At the end of the keyframe, lower the intensity to 0 and go to grabs and use these custom grabs. Okay, so you need to use these custom grabs on the glitch or the bad TV effect. Click on the check icon and you are done. So after it, your video will look like this with the Twitch shake effect. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on a like, leave a comment, and click on thanks. Bye.